Deco Network makes it easy for you to email a customer from within Business Hub. Simply go into the quote or order you want to contact the customer about and click Add Note for Customer. This is sending the customer an email. So we could add maybe a test and attach a file of that, or a test print. Or maybe we can just try to go above and beyond. Would you like us to bag and tag your shirts at no additional charge? It's as simple as something like that can really start building a relationship. And sometimes just contacting the customer through Business Hub makes more sense than going into your email provider. But anytime we do contact the customer, if they do respond through the email, so they're going to get that email. If they respond through that email, it will come back into here. And you want to keep an eye on the history notes. Anytime that we email the customer, it's going to be recorded here. Or if they respond to us, or if they email us about the order, it's going to be kept here as well. If you have any questions on how to email a customer from within a quote or an order, or anything else related to Business Hub, simply come up to the question mark, view our help resources, or raise a support ticket and get in contact with Client Services, who's always available to help you when you need. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.